Have you ever wondered what the future of money looks like? As we move further into the digital age, cash is becoming less common, and new forms of currency are emerging. In this video, we'll explore the intriguing question: will cash disappear forever? In the past few years, there have been big changes in how we think about money. Cash isn't as useful as it used to be because of the rise of digital payment systems, cryptocurrencies, and contactless purchases. Will we live in a world where people don't need cash someday, or will cash still be used as money? The idea of money has changed a lot over the years. At first, people used barter methods to trade goods and services directly with each other. Bartering did have some problems, though. For example, both people had to want the same thing that the other person was offering. To get around this problem, people started using different kinds of money, like shells, salt, and valuable metals. How paper money came to be? In the history of money, the invention of paper money was a major turning point. During the Tang Dynasty, 618–907 AD, the Chinese were the first people to use paper money. This spread to other parts of the world. Coins were heavier and harder to carry around than paper money, which made it easier to use. By the 1600s, European countries were releasing banknotes, which strengthened the role of paper money in the world economy. The rise of transactions without cash. Digital payment methods have become very popular in the past few years. Users of services like Apple Pay, PayPal, and Venmo can give and receive money right away, which makes it easier than ever to do business. These sites are especially popular with younger people who are better at using technology and like how easy it is to pay with a card instead of cash. Digital money. In this day and age, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have become alternative kinds of money. These decentralized digital currencies use blockchain technology to make transfers safe and clear, so there's no need for banks or other middlemen. Cryptocurrencies are still pretty volatile and aren't widely accepted as a way to pay. However, their rising fame has made people think about the future of money and the possibility of living without cash. What a society without cash means? Convenience. Digital payments are the easiest way to pay for things. People can buy things quickly and easily, and they don't even need to take cash or coins. This ease of use stretches to online shopping, where digital payments make the checkout process faster. Security. Cash can be lost, stolen, or broken, but digital payments are safer because they use encryption. The financial information of many people who use digital payment systems is kept safe by encryption and two-factor authentication. Tracking and budgeting. The digital transfers make it easier for people to keep track of their money and make budgets because they leave a clear record of what they spend. This openness can help people make better decisions about their money. Lower costs for businesses. Businesses that accept digital payments can cut down on the costs of handling cash, like protection, transportation, and storage. Faster transaction handling and better cash flow can also help businesses. Bad things about not carrying cash. Exclusion of vulnerable populations. People who depend on cash for daily transactions, like the old, low-income people and people who can't get to a bank, could be hit the hardest by a cashless society. These groups may find it hard to get used to digital payment methods, which could make them even less able to afford things. Privacy concerns. When you buy something online, it leaves a digital trail. This makes people worry about their privacy and the safety of their data. A lot of people might not like the idea that businesses and governments are keeping track of and studying their buying habits. Third, there are risks to cybersecurity. As digital payments become more common, the chance of hacking and fraud rises. Hackers may try to get into payment systems to steal money or private information, which is a big problem for both companies and consumers. Dependence on technology. A society without cash depends a lot on technology and infrastructure. Customers might not be able to buy anything if the system goes down, there are technical problems, or the power goes out. What will happen to cash? Even though more and more deals are being done without cash, cash is not going away completely. A lot of people still like cash because it keeps them anonymous and gives them a sense of power. In many cultures, cash is still the most common way to pay, especially in rural places where technology may not be easy to get to. Cash can also be used as a backup in case technological systems fail in an emergency. CBDCs, or central bank digital currencies, and their role. Central banks are looking into the idea of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, as the world moves toward digital exchanges. The goal of these digital currencies, which are controlled and released by central banks, is to bring together the advantages of digital payments with the dependability of regular money. While making sure that central banks keep control of monetary policy, CBDCs could offer a safe and quick way to do business. CBDC projects are already being tested in places like China and Sweden. These projects could change the future of money. How different cultures feel about money. How individuals feel about money in their culture also has a huge impact on the future of currency. In societies that place a high value on anonymity and independence, cash may continue to be popular. Digital payments, on the other hand, may be more prevalent in societies that place a high value on convenience and are open to the introduction of new technology. There is a possibility that these beliefs will shift as a result of globalization's ongoing impact on the manner in which people exchange their cultures, which will have an impact on money in general. There is no doubt that the future of money is going to be complicated and contain a lot of different components. While it is true that transactions that do not include cash are growing more popular, cash is not fully disappearing from the market. In the future, it is likely that virtual currencies, cash, and innovative payment systems that can cater to the requirements of a diverse variety of clients will be utilized in conjunction with one another. During this period of transition, it is essential to provide consideration to the implications that this transformation will have for various categories of individuals, and to ensure that the financial system will continue to be accessible to all individuals. For the purpose of achieving the future of money, it will be necessary for governments, financial institutions, and technological companies to collaborate in order to create a financial climate that is equitable and balanced. Leave your ideas in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more related content.